Drivers Select and Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Toyota 86, stock number 6819. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand mirror, missing cover. Left rear 17-inch factory only mag tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory only mag tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory only mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.